Searching for SCADA software for Windows, and every quote comes back at over $1,000 per seat? Here's the affordable answer. And this is the real product on screen, not a mock-up. A native Windows SCADA app with HMI screens, alarms, trends, and a historian. 30-day free trial, then $199 once. Let me walk you through the whole setup. This is SCADA Desktop right after sign-in. It comes in 2 editions, a cloud version that runs in your browser, and this Windows app, which works 100% offline, ideal when the control network has no internet. The setup is 4 steps. Install it, connect a device, map your tags, and turn on alarms and trends. Start to finish in about 15 minutes. Step 1. Download and install. Grab the bundle from modbussimulator.com. It's a single zip with SCADA Desktop, plus a free Modbus simulator to practice against, plus a quick start README. Run the installer, launch the app, and your 30-day trial starts automatically. Every feature unlocked. No credit card, no license key needed yet. Step 2. Connect a device. Open Devices and hit Add Device. Choose Modbus TCP for networked PLCs. Then enter the IP address, the port, usually 502, and the unit ID. Watch. I'm connecting to a live Modbus device right now. Save. And the device shows up polling real data. For serial devices, pick Modbus RTU and let the baud rate auto-detect do the work. No hardware yet. Connect to the bundled simulator exactly like this. Step 3. Map your tags. Each register becomes a name tag with units and scaling. Here's the tag browser: tank 1 level, reactor temperature, main pressure, inlet flow, and pump 1 status, all updating live from the device we just connected, with good or bad quality indication on every value. You can export the whole tag list to CSV at any time. Then build your operator screen in the HMI Designer. Drag from the asset library, pumps, motors, tanks, valves, pipes, gauges, lamps, and live charts. Bind each widget to a tag in the Properties panel, then switch from Edit mode to Run mode, and the screen comes alive with real values. Screens are saved with your account and follow you between the desktop and cloud editions. Step 4. Alarms. Set a threshold on any tag. Here tank 1 level above 80%, and when it crosses, the alarm fires. You get severity summary cards, acknowledge and shelve, escalation for unacknowledged criticals, and email notifications to your team. Every alarm lands in the history with a full audit trail, and every tag is logged to the historian automatically. Overlay tags on a trend chart, switch time ranges, read current, minimum, maximum, and average from the statistics table, and export to CSV. You can even schedule daily or weekly email reports with a PDF attached. Now the part everyone asks about: price. Traditional SCADA like Ignition starts at over $1,100, and the big names quote 5 and 6 figures with per-client licensing. SCADA Desktop is $199 for standard or $499 for professional. One time, perpetual, no subscription, no per-seat fees. And after you activate once online, it runs fully offline forever. So that's the real setup. Install the bundle, connect your device, map your tags, build your screen, turn on alarms. Go to modbussimulator.com/SCADA, download the free bundle, and have a working SCADA system on your Windows machine this afternoon. Link is in the description.